Now Shariz, you have to remember first two terms, then I will explain. There are four terms you need to remember. The first one is satisfaction, other one no satisfaction, another one is dissatisfaction, and the other one no dissatisfaction. Okay, if somebody asks you, or if you are going to ask someone, Shariz, that do you love me? If next person asks or replied you like no, it doesn't mean that particular man hates you. He just said I don't love you, but it doesn't mean he hates you, he or she hates you. Okay, that a particular or specific logic we have to incorporate in these terms. Like satisfaction, if somebody asks you are you satisfied, you said no, it doesn't mean you are dissatisfied. Okay, if somebody asks you do you have a satisfaction, you say no, I don't have any kind of a satisfaction, it doesn't mean you are dissatisfied. Okay, let's discuss from the perspective of the Herzberg model. This man gives two factors that why a person do the job. He said there are two reasons. The first, you have hygienic factor and some are motivational factor. What are the hygienic factor? The hygienic factor belongs to your basic needs. Okay, why you do the job? Just to fulfill your basic needs. That is a particular reason. That is the main reason. Look, if just assume that if you are getting, let's say, 30,000 salary from your job, and you are okay with that you can fulfill your basic need with that particular salary. Okay, you are not satisfied, but you can't say that I am dissatisfied. If that particular job is a reason to fulfill your basic need, you are okay with that. Okay, if that particular job or that particular salary is unable to fulfill your basic need, then you would say that I am dissatisfied. Okay, but if this particular job is able to fulfill your basic need, then you would say I don't have any kind of dissatisfaction. If any job who can fulfill your basic need, this is known as hygienic factor. If job is able to fulfill your basic need, then you would say okay, there is no dissatisfaction. But if job is unable to fulfill, then you would be in a position to say I am, or you can say I am yes, there is dissatisfaction. That is the main reason to do job. Okay, the other factor, which is known as motivational factor. What kind of motivation jobs can give you? That is a long term. You would say, if for example, if you are a particular job and you have a friend who is getting 30,000 from any organization, and on the other hand you are getting, let's say, 1 lakh, when you will make a comparison, you would say okay, now you will feel more relaxed. When you make a comparison, you will feel more satisfied. Now that particular or high kind of a salary is giving you some kind of a motivation. For example, job is giving you more respect. Now it's say I'm satisfied, thanks to Allah Almighty. Okay, but if they don't give you any kind of a respect, you would say I'm not satisfied, mean no satisfaction. Okay, if you have a respect, you would be satisfied. If you don't have a respect, you would say I'm not satisfied. These are the motivational factors that can affect you, and you will do the job for that particular organization for a long period of time. But hygienic factor belongs to your basic needs. That was two factor model given by that particular person.